Hey everybody, Brandon back with another Living in Ventura County video. Today we're at Constitution Park in Camarillo off of Carmen Drive. So as you can tell, there's about 2,000 people here, and I'm currently in front of the outdoor stage and amphitheater. So they're getting ready to kick off the Concerts in the Park series, which is a series of about 4 concerts taking place over a few Saturdays of the summer, and tonight's going to be 24 Karat Magic, so it sounds like it's going to be Bruno Mars theme. As you can see, people also have their blankets, they have their chairs, they bring their food and drinks from home as well. So if you'd like more information about some of the upcoming events and the upcoming concerts in the Concerts in the Park series, please be sure to reach out to us and we can definitely send you a schedule of events. And stay tuned and keep on watching because we're going to have highlights of the concert tonight.
The UFC, you believe it, I disbelieve this. Got me standing, paying for chips, diamonds on the neck, diamonds on the wrist, and here I am all alone, all alone. I'm so cold, I'm so cold. You got me out here. Yeah, singing, so out the window, singing, how could you do this to me? How could you do the silk sheets and diamonds, oh white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. You say you want a good time. Well, here I am, baby. Here I am, baby. Talk to me, baby. What's on your mind? If you want it, girl, come and get it. Oh, this is here for you. Tell me, baby, tell me, baby, what you wanna do, yeah. Shining so bright, show got me playing the bank, playing pretend. Diamonds on the neck, diamonds on the wrist, and here I am all alone, all alone. So cold, you got me out. Why they watch all night long? Yeah, I know we'll turn as forever. So tonight I'm gonna show you all. When I'm rocking with you, I rock the whole world change. Oh, baby, that's what you do. No, my baby, don't play. Blame it on the confidence. Oh, blame it on your best young man. Shut it down on sight. Come on, that's right, baby. You've been infinite. Cause your sex takes me to paradise. Yeah, your sex takes me to